In this video, I'm unleashing the ultimate strategies for using iTalki and HelloTalk to skyrocket your students' fluency and transform your classroom into a language learning powerhouse. My name is Scott, and you're watching Immediate Immersion, where we're all about comprehension-based instruction in the modern language classroom. We'll be right back. Choosing the right platform, iTalki or HelloTalk. First, evaluate the features of each platform and determine which one aligns best with your students' needs and learning goals. Consider factors such as ease of use, available languages, and built-in learning tools. For example, if your students are more focused on conversation practice, HelloTalk's emphasis on language exchange might be the better choice. Once you've decided which platform you use, you need to set it up for classroom use. Start by creating a teacher account and familiarize yourself with the platform's features and settings. Then, develop a set of guidelines and expectations for student behavior and participation. And don't forget to let your parents know that you're using this app, the purpose, and what the guidelines are. For example, set up a class group within a platform where students can interact with each other and with you in a controlled environment. Next, you'll want to integrate platform activities into your curriculum. So align platform activities with your existing lesson plans and learning objectives. Create assignments and tasks that leverage the platform's unique features and resources. For example, assign students to complete a series of conversation exercises with native speakers on iTalki, then have them report back on what they learned. Facilitating meaningful interactions and feedback. Encourage your students to engage in regular conversation practice with native speakers or other language learners. Provide guidance and feedback on their interactions, highlighting areas for improvement and celebrating those successes. Emphasize that celebration because when kids feel celebrated, they get confident and they're willing to try new things. An example, use HelloTalk's correction feature to provide targeted feedback on students' writing and help them identify patterns of errors. Finally, you'll want to assess the progress and adapt the strategies. So regularly monitor students' progress and engagement with the platform. Use insights gained from the platform to inform your teaching strategies and make adjustments as needed. Example, if you notice that students are struggling with a particular grammar point, create a targeted lesson plan that addresses that issue and incorporates platform activities for reinforcement. If you're looking to create a classroom experience that's more engaged than a TikTok video, then the CI Summer Camp is the place to be. We'll be breaking down comprehensible input and giving you the blueprint to build a learning environment that's both effective and unforgettable. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Register now at mm.us/summercamp. Now let's talk about 3 concrete strategies you can implement in your classroom today. Number 1, weekly conversation challenge. Assign students to complete a minimum number of conversation sessions on iTalki each week, focusing on a specific topic or language function. Have them report back on their experiences and what they learned. An example, assign students to complete 3 30-minute conversation sessions on iTalki each week, focusing on describing their daily routines and hobbies. Have them record new vocabulary words they learn and share their experiences in a weekly reflection post. Or, challenge students to engage in 5 20-minute conversation sessions on iTalki each week, practicing the use of the past tense verbs to discuss their childhood memories. Ask them to submit a summary of their conversations, highlighting the grammar structures they used. Number 2, language exchange partnerships. Pair up students with native speakers on HelloTalk and have them engage in regular language exchange sessions. Encourage them to provide feedback to each other and to share interesting cultural insights they've gained. One idea is to pair up students with native speakers on HelloTalk who share similar interests such as sports or music. Encourage them to engage in weekly audio or video calls to practice conversation skills and learn colloquial expressions related to their shared interests. Or you can have students find language exchange partners on HelloTalk who are also learning their native language. Ask them to set up a regular schedule for writing exchanges where they write paragraphs in the target language and provide corrections and feedback on their partner's writing in their native language. Number 3, platform-based presentations. Have students use the resources and connections they've made on the platform to create a presentation on a cultural or language-related topic of their choice. Ask them to incorporate vocabulary, grammar, and insights gained from their interactions on the platform. One idea is to have students use iTalki to interview native speakers about a specific cultural topic, such as family traditions or holiday celebrations. Ask them to create a presentation summarizing their findings, including new vocabulary words and cultural insights they gained from the interviews. Or you can assign students to use HelloTalk to gather information and resources on a language-related topic such as slang expressions or regional dialects. Have them create a multimedia presentation showcasing examples, explanations, and real-world usage of the language features they explored on the platform. If this video just blew your mind and you're feeling the language teaching fire burning inside you, it's time to take action. First up, smash that like button into oblivion and hit subscribe to join the language learning revolution. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the game-changing content we're dropping every week. But hold up, we're not done just yet. I've handpicked 2 more videos that are guaranteed to level up your language teaching skills to the next dimension. Click on one that's calling your name and prepare to have your mind expanded. Happy comprehensible input.